create a market watch even for mutual funds, for which you have to be onto the home page, going to the bottom sheet, click on More, click on Market Watch under the mutual fund section. This shows you the last viewed schemes into the Market Watch for mutual funds. In order to get into the main menu of Market Watch, click on the little chip-like icon which you see besides the drop-down. Here, it will allow you to create your customized Market Watch for mutual funds. Click on the plus sign at the bottom right corner. Give your Market Watch a name. Take an example. I give the name Demo. Submit. And now you can add 50 schemes max in one of your Market Watches that you add. In order to add a scheme to your Market Watch, click on the plus sign which is at the top or at the bottom right corner, the plus sign, and click on Add Scheme button. Search for the scheme that you want to add. Take an example. I want to add an Axis scheme which is Axis Liquid Fund Regular Growth. It gets added. In order to add more schemes into your Market Watch, click on the plus sign again and search for the scheme. Take an example, Mirai. Searching for all the Mirai schemes, here it will give me all Mirai asset schemes. And out of this, if I wish to add any scheme into my Market Watch, simply tap on it. You get a call to action box where the second option below, Market Watch, asks you to add it either to your existing Market Watch for mutual fund or by adding it to a new Market Watch by creating a new Market Watch. I will add to the existing Market Watch and therefore it gets added here. After you add a scheme into the Market Watch, it gives you details like the category and subcategory, the minimum lump sum amount investment and SIP amount investment, NAV for the fund, the ratings, the returns for 1 year, 3 years in percentage. And in order to get to understand more details about any of these schemes, tap on the scheme, which gives you again the same call to action box, out of which you can select fund details, which gives you more explained details about every fund like this, where you get the NAV, the ratings, the returns, performances, SIP performances, SIP rupees 1000 a month performances. You can see funds overview, the fund holding into top 10 holding and the sectors here, where you will also find fund management and registrar details for every fund like this. Going back, if you're willing to place an order on any of these schemes, either you can tap on it. While you're in the fund details, it allows you to place an order into SIP and lump sum just by clicking below on SIP and lump sum orders. Or if you're here on the Market Watches page, tap on it, where you can click on lump sum, which takes you directly onto the order window. Here, put in the further details, select on agree and then place the order, or if it is for SIP, you have to fill the further details and place the order for this SIP. In order to open a Market Watch, which you have already created, go to the hamburger menu at the top left corner, where you will find the Market Watches option under the mutual fund section. Select Mutual Fund Market Watch. And here is the drop down if you have created more Market Watches for mutual fund. And this is how you can make your investments more simple into the schemes that you want with the help of this Market Watch.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.